Today we're making gluten-free pancakes. You need 1.5 cups of gluten-free flour. Not all flour is created equal. I'm using a King Arthur gluten-free flour. If you have a different blend, it could turn out differently. So make sure that you're using the same gluten-free flour that I am. So after you have mixed your dry ingredients together, you're going to mix your wet ingredients together. And you're going to need 2 eggs, 1 to 1.5 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to use the milk according to how thick your batter is. So it should be a thick batter, but pourable. If it's not pourable, you definitely want to add more milk. So start with 1 cup, then add more milk as you go to make sure that it's a pourable batter but still thick. It's not your traditional pancake, so there's not going to be a bunch of air bubbles. You'll just have to see if the sides are firm, and then you will flip it. The full recipe is in the description. Let me know how it goes.